Hola, welcome to the Cancer New Moon Workshop. We will be setting intentions with the moon, tarot, and astrology. Hi, I'm Yesbel of Yes Spiral, and I am a tarot reader, a moon stalker, a journaling enthusiast, and you can learn more about me at www.yespiral.com/about. So the new moon in Cancer. This is when the moon and the sun meet up in the sign of Cancer. The moon takes approximately 29 and a half days to orbit the Earth. And as the moon completes its orbit, it's continuously changing phase, giving us a signal of where it might be in the sky. And it actually stops into every sign every month. So it'll spend about 2.5 days in each sign, whereas the sun spends about 30 days in each sign. And then the moon comes and meets up with it every single month, which I like to call the moon. The new moon is a time that represents a starting point. It's an optimal time to plant seeds of intention. Write down what you want to accomplish on an inspirational, practical, emotional, or rational level. So I've written down these 4 different levels, and they correspond with the suits in the tarot cards, and actually with the different elements in astrology as well. So inspiration corresponds with wands or fire energy. Practical corresponds with pentacles or earth energy. Emotional corresponds with cups or water energy. And rational corresponds with swords or air energy. I like to think about the different energies when I'm writing down my intentions, and also as I go throughout the month, I like to think about how those different energies are affecting me. It's about taking a leadership role in areas of home, family, emotional awareness, and nourishment. And these are the areas where we will set intentions. When the moon is in Cancer, which it's starting a new cycle in Cancer this month, but it goes into Cancer every single month. So you can be on the lookout for it. And it's a good time to be warm and considerate, to respect people's boundaries, nurture and reassure friends, families, and coworkers. Pour out positive feedback for good work. Nurture causes you believe in. Make your home more comfortable and safe. Listen to your gut instincts and take action. Reconnect with your true feelings. Take long hot baths. Cancer has 6 tarot cards that are associated with it. Actually, each of the 12 signs have 6 cards that are associated with it. Cancer is associated with the Chariot. The energy of the Chariot is kind, it's intuitive, it's protective. He's ready to drive towards new experiences. He's on a practical quest to protect and defend home, community, or personal business. When the Chariot shows up, move forward with confidence, discipline, and trusting gut feelings. The Cancer Minor Arcana card I'm going to talk about is the Lord of Abundance, 3 of Cups. It rules over July 2nd through July 11th. And it represents celebration, family, friendship, good times, and a plentiful harvest. This card symbolizes the maiden, mother, crone energy that's associated with the waxing, full, waning moon. Okay, so now is a good time to get out your paper and pen and write down your intentions. This is what I suggest you base your intentions on. The new moon is in Cancer. These energies are stronger. And if you focus on the rulerships of each of the 12 signs throughout the year, you would have made intentions on all aspects of your life. When the moon is in Cancer, which is on Friday, July 9th, 9:16 p.m. Eastern time, that's when you would want to write your intentions down And the energy is potent for the next, they say 8 hours, but it's fine if you do it up to 24, 48 hours after. I would say you have until even Monday, July 12th to write down your intentions, or write down your intentions at any time. But the new moon energy is most potent Friday, July 9th at 9 p.m., 9:16 p.m. through Monday, July 12th. So the rulerships are home and family, safety, process, intimacy, and caring, feelings and moods, nurturing, releasing insecurity. Some sample intentions for you, just in case you're having some writer's block or nothing is coming to you. First one, I want to easily find myself listening to and honoring my gut instincts. I easily find myself managing my finances to create security and peace of mind in my life. I ask for help in a way that is empowering for me and those around me. I want non-constructive, over-emotional responses easily lifted from me. I want to easily find myself maintaining my own identity while in the company of my family, or maybe even friends or lovers. It's up to you. I want the urge to possess others replaced by an awareness of deep sense of security within myself. I suggest that you pause the video and write down your intentions and keep it in a notebook that you go back to, or write it down in a piece of paper somewhere, or you can get the Yes Spiral New Moon in Cancer workbook. It's available on my website and goes over everything I've covered, plus a lot more. It's a workbook that you can use throughout the whole month. So here is the Moonth in Cancer. When the moon starts its new phase, it connects with the sun in the sign. So for example, the moon is new in Cancer on July 9th. And that is a time for you to plant your seeds of intention. And then as the moon continues on her cycle, she's going to stop at Libra, and that's when the moon is going to be waxing. And it's a time where your seeds of intentions begin to grow. So this is going to happen on July 17th. So you may want to revisit your tarot spread, which is coming up next on July 17th through the 19th. Just come back and look at your intentions and maybe jot down some more notes based on what you've written. As the moon continues her cycle, she is going to become full. So this is when you'll be able to see the moon in the sky. It's going to be completely illuminated by the sun, because by this point, the sun is going to be in Leo. So the moon is going to be reflecting the sun's light, which is why we can see it in the sky. And that's going to happen on July 23rd. And it's a good time to revisit your tarot spread July 23rd through the 25th, maybe even revisit your intentions as well and start working on them, maybe start bringing them to a more practical level. So when the moon is full, it's a good time to give thanks. So have gratitude and count your blessings. As the moon continues her orbiting around the zodiac signs, she's going to stop in the sign of Taurus, where it's going to be the third quarter waning moon. That's when it's a good time to think about what to release in what's going on in your life in order to make room to make your intentions grow. So as the moon is waning in Taurus, you may want to find out, like, what do you want to release? So that gives you a picture of how the moon makes her way around the zodiac signs and how to use tarot as a framework to harness the moon's energy to create the life you want. So the seed of the moon. So basically, when you do this spread, lay out your tarot or oracle cards in this way. And it's kind of a spiral. So we start with the new moon, we go with the waxing moon, go up to the peak, which is in Aquarius, go down to the waning moon, and then go to the seed. And then next month, you're going to move this card into the number 1 position, and you're going to start all over again. So this is a spiral practice that you can do every single month. I've been doing this continuously since September of 2015. So now I want to share this with you because it has really worked for me. First card you're going to choose is, what is the seed of the Cancer month? So you're going to shuffle your deck and you're going to be asking this question and pick this card, put it face down in the middle. Then you're going to shuffle your deck and ask, what begins to grow as the moon waxes in Libra? So what begins to grow when the moon is waxing in Libra? So shuffle your deck and put that card next to the first card. Third card, what peaks as the moon becomes full in Aquarius? So shuffle your deck. What peaks as the moon becomes full in Aquarius? Card number 4, what do I let go of as the moon wanes in Taurus? What do I let go of as the moon wanes in Taurus? And lastly, what is the seed of the next month in Leo? So here are your 5 cards. I suggest that you come back to the spread throughout the month. You can do it structured, as I mentioned, with each of the different phases, or you can come back to it whenever you see the moon in the sky. It's up there at different times. So let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to have a workbook to go along with this practice, go to my website, www.yespiral.com. Check out my workbook. Thank you.